day in our life as a BKT band member.
So, bali this is the first day po of our preparation on the celebration for the birthday of our beloved principal, Ma'am Ruth.
Okay po, mag-try na kami. Practice na kami, guys. Happy birthday!
So, dito nag-start na po kami mag-practice and inuna po namin na song is yung song na Happy Birthday. Hayaan niyong ipaalala ko sa inyo ang ilan sa mga miyembro ng BKT Band. So, this is our bass, April. At ito naman si Yuan, ang pinakamalupit namin na lead. Susunod ay si Toby, shy drummer and rhythm. And this is Zam, siya ang aming main drummer. At ayun, natapos na rin po ang first practice namin. And naglilipit na rin kami para makauwi na. At yun, umulit ng isa pang nakakapagod na araw na practice. Then, dumating na yung mismong araw ng aming performance, which is sa birthday ni Ma'am Ruth.
What? Rate 1 to 10 kung gano'n tayo magiging successful sa performance. 10! Rate 1 to 10 kung gano'n tayo magiging successful in the performance.
7.
Rate kung gano'n tayo magiging successful sa performance. 1 to 10.
Okay na. 1.
Yo, girls, rate how you be successful in the play. Rate out of 10.
Rate?
Yeah.
7.5.
Rate you're successful in like singing and stuff. Rate out of 10. I'm bad at this. 8. I will be successful. Rate out of 10. Your performance rate out of 10.
7 out of 10.
I'll ask you some question like rate how you'll be successful in the play. 1 to 10.
No?
Ano nga? Rate mo like how you'll be successful in the play.
In the?
Sa performance!
Oh, 10.
This? You want? Wow, I 3.
maraming salamat. Ayan, ma'am. Itinabiling po kasi ma'am kaya katamo, i-distribute kaming pamangan karing table na mo. Siyempre, ta naman palabasan itang mag-birthday.
At yun, natapos na rin yung performance at masaya naman kami kasi naging successful yun. And maganda naman yung kinalabasan kasi kahit 2 days lang kami nag-practice ay nag-deliver namin to ng ayos. Kinabukasan, naisipan namin ni Yuan na linisin yung BKD room kasi sobrang kalat nito. At yun, dito na po nagtatapos ang aming video. Sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo and always remember, there's magic in music. Thank you po.